In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a digital signature in Microsoft Word. A digital signature is a convenient way to sign documents electronically, allowing you to finalize contracts, agreements, and other professional files without printing them out. It also helps verify the authenticity of the document and confirms who signed it. Fortunately, Microsoft Word includes a built-in feature that makes adding a digital signature simple and efficient, even if you have never used this feature before. To begin, open the document in Microsoft Word where you want the signature to appear. Once the document is displayed on your screen, move your cursor to the location on the page where you want the signature line to be placed. This is the area where the signer will eventually add their digital signature, so choose a position that makes sense within the layout of your document. After positioning the cursor, look at the top of the Word window and select the Text tab from the ribbon. Within this tab, locate the section labeled Text, which is usually found toward the right side of the ribbon. Inside that section, you will find an option called Signature Line. Click on that option and then select Microsoft Office Signature Line from the menu that appears. Once you select this option, a small dialog box known as the Signature Setup window will appear on your screen. This window allows you to enter details about the individual who will be signing the document. You can provide the suggested signer's name and their title. There is also a space where you can add the signer's email address if necessary. In addition, you may include optional instructions that will guide the signer on how the document should be signed. When you have finished entering the necessary information, select the OK button. Word will then place a signature line placeholder directly in your document. This line indicates where the digital signature will be applied. When it is time to sign the document, simply double-click the signature line. A signing window will appear, giving the signer a few different options. The signer can type their name to generate a digital signature, insert an image of a handwritten signature, or use a digital certificate if one is available. After the signature has been entered, clicking the Sign button will finalize the process and attach the signature to the document. At this point, the document now contains a digital signature, confirming that it has been officially signed. As an additional tip, if you prefer the appearance of a handwritten signature, you can write your signature on a piece of paper, scan or photograph it, and save it as an image file. You can then place it into your document by selecting Insert, choosing Pictures, and locating the saved signature image on your computer. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to insert a digital signature in Microsoft Word, making it easier to sign documents quickly and professionally without needing to print them. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.